Hey friends, welcome back to Rita Talks. I'm Rita, and on this YouTube channel, I just share some of the thoughts, ideas that I've been thinking about, some of the things that have been going on in my life. And today I just wanted to talk about the day. It had lots of ups and downs, but I think um, today was quite a good day. So quite a few things happened. Like I had a call with a recruiter from a tech company that I interviewed at. It was a call about some team match stuff. The truth is, I don't think I will be going, mostly because I'm still waiting for French citizenship, and also the work does not seem that interesting. Like I really want machine learning stuff, and the teams that I met. I met one team's manager, and I'm gonna meet another team's manager next week. They don't seem to be doing any of the stuff that I want to be doing, which is machine learning stuff. So I don't think that I'm gonna basically accept any offer with them, which is completely fine. I mean, I did not go into those interviews with any expectations, as you might have seen on this channel. It was just like a way for me to practice my interviewing skills and yeah, like just take off the pressure. So that's one thing. Another thing is that I helped one of my students because he had his presentation for a bootcamp that he did, and I've been helping him with his project. So, like as an exception, I usually don't take any classes in the middle of the day or like when I'm working, like in working hours. But I made an exception. Basically, I took it during lunchtime, so between 12:30 and 1:30 to make sure that that was not an issue. But yeah, I was just helping him with like finalizing his presentation. I think it should be fine for him. I don't know. He didn't tell me how it went, but I think probably he will wait until he gets the result before telling me how how it went. So yeah, I'll ask him in a few days or something like this. So that's the second thing. Third thing is that I had a quick chat with one of my colleagues to discuss like how we test something. And we went into quite some interesting discussions about like some testing proposal that he's working on. And I proposed to help with it because I'm pretty familiar with the project, and it's also a good way for me to have design opportunities, which I'm currently lacking. Um, so yeah, I mean, I'm kind of excited about that because it sounds fun, and this guy, I really like him. He's kind. I mean, the poor guy had relocated to Dublin from here, uh, like because his wife, found a job there. So yeah, I think he feels a bit lonely because he doesn't get to see the team as much. Does not get to see the team at all. So yeah, whenever like we're in a call, like he turns on the camera and we chat because usually calls, like unless it's a one-to-one with my manager, the camera is almost always off. But yeah, it's nice to catch up with him. He's a super nice guy. And he's very kind and he's good at what he's doing. He's good at what he does. So yeah, that was fun. And then I had a call with my manager to discuss, next steps for the promotion process and everything like this, which sounds like it's starting to get some traction. I still have some action items there, but hopefully I have some good news for you all in a few weeks, months. I don't know how long it will take. He hasn't given me a timeline just yet. But yeah, let's uh, let's see how it goes because I guess I'm settling for a promotion instead of. I mean, it's weird to say settling for a promotion, but what I meant is instead of having the applied science transition. So yeah, I will work on the transition later. But yeah, lately I've been, I basically today I've been, lately this past week, since I came back from the time that I spent with my family, I've been reading a lot on AI and like I've been reading research papers. So I just finished reading my first research paper. Basically, I think it had like 7 or 8 pages, and I just finished reading it today. I started reading one page of a machine learning paper, whatever it is, per day. And yeah, I picked my next paper to read, which hopefully I'm gonna start. I'm gonna read the first page of tomorrow, and it sounds quite interesting. It's about this large language model, MED. I think it's like MED something, which is a language model by Google. And it sounds super interesting, so I'm gonna delve into it. The one that I finished today was Singing Voice Beautifier, which was super cool. I mean, like autotune, but basically the Singing Voice Beautifier, according to the paper, was the first one, I guess, generative model for a singing voice beautifier. I think usually what happens for singing voice beautification, like autotune and stuff like this, I think I'm not really sure how it works. I thought it was basically just, a correction in the pitch or something like this, like something very simple that doesn't have to do with machine learning, but has to do with physics. So you just apply a physics formula. But this is getting interesting, where they're using, like, I don't know if it's relevant. Basically, the fact that they're using generative AI for this. I don't know how that measures against the techniques that already exist. I don't think they went too deeply into that. I think they were just comparing models within the realm of generative AI, and like basically just discussing different metrics and different approaches that they took. But I don't think there was any description of how. I mean, there was. Maybe I don't remember very well. But yeah, I need to do like a quick state of the art on like summary on how this singing voice beautification thing works, and basically so that I can get an idea of whether this paper, I mean, I think it was ranked at number 1 in top papers of 2023 on the website KD Nuggets, which I guess means that it's pretty legit. But I'm just curious to see how that differs from the previous techniques that exists, because I'm not very aware of this this whole like like sound stuff, like speech and music and things like this. I'm not very aware of it, like singing and stuff. So yeah, it would be interesting to do a deep dive there. But yeah, I mean, I've really been enjoying like reading these papers. Also, like reading one page per paper per day, like one page of a paper per day, is slow enough that I really get to dive deep into the topic, which is cool. So my camera is about to turn off. I guess I'm just gonna close this off right now. So yeah, I can talk more about this tomorrow in tomorrow's video, basically. So yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in. You can click here to watch my previous video on this channel, and you can click here to watch my latest video on the channel overall. Bye for now, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye!